Piers are required on homes that begin to settle. And we have many calls from homeowners when they have a concern in a home, thinking they need piers, but what they ultimately need are braces. So there are some confusions out there in terms of what piers do versus braces versus post and footings. So by definition, piers are used for settling of a home. They are installed underneath the foundation and they lift or support the home's foundation when it is cracked or underperformed. So when it comes to piering with KC Pier, our piers are actually a lifetime product and they truly stay and are installed for a lifetime. So for you as a homeowner, whether you are staying in the home or moving away, the piers and the warranty, our lifetime warranty, stays with the home itself. It doesn't matter who's living in it. So we consider piers a lifetime product. Our installation processes that use concentrically loaded piers, which sit underneath the foundation, which is much different than, say, a helical pier or a bracketed pier. We encourage homeowners to know the differences between those piers. Our concentrically loaded pier that sits underneath the foundation is by far the best way to repair a cracked and settled foundation. They sit directly under the foundation's load and lift directly from load-bearing strata, or sometimes people call it bedrock. And once those piers are installed in anywhere from 3 to 8 foot increments, they are considered a lifetime repair at KC Pier. Our warranty states it in 2 to 3 sentences, and there are no exceptions. So for our homeowners, when they have a repair process that requires settlement and requires piers, they know they're getting a repair that's going to last them a lifetime.